Hi everybody. Everyone was super excited about the meteorite and where it would hit. Would it hit the tilted towers or where it finally ended up? And that was Dusty Depot, which is now Dusty Divot. So we created a Fortnite cake with Dusty Divot right there, along with the hangers next to it, tilted towers right over there, and then the meteorite. So we want to show you how to make this cake. I just completed it today, and I'm in the process of putting together how you can make this cake for yourself, for your Fortnite parties, just even for hanging out with some friends. So make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe, tell us some other things you want us to make in the future. I'm thinking of making the bus next. Already made the Loot LLama Supply Loot Llama, and I'm going to put a link to that in the description below. And as soon as this video is done on how to make this cake, I will also put a link to that in the description below. So we will talk to you guys next time. Hope you have a great day. Bye.